So I believe that the Office of the City Prosecutor must consider this matter as well for the resolution to be reconsidered and reversed. So dun sa motion for reconsideration namin, may mga facts kami na mas lalo pa naming ipupush para ipakita sa Office of the City Prosecutor that indeed the crime was committed.
Tsaka kailangan maintindihan nyo, yung parang yung pinagdiinan nila doon, yung 40 hours of working time na nirereklamo ko sa mga anak ko. Kailangan malinaw yun. Hindi ko nirereklamo yung 40 oras na ang dami pa doon na kailangan basahin kung bakit ko nireklamo yun. I mean, ang tagal-tagal ko na sa business na to. Alam ko ang working hours, hindi naman ako ganun kababaw na yun lang irereklamo ko. Tignan nila kung bakit. Dahil nag-suffer ang school ng mga anak ko. Hindi natupad lahat ng mga pinag-usapan namin. Marami siyang mga pinagawa na hindi na dapat. Hindi lang yung 40 hours eh. Kaya sana basahin ulit ng maayos. Kasi napakadami namin nilagay doon na reasons. Hindi lang yun.
That's the interpretation. Wala mali ako pero pagkakaintindi ko lang kasi yung sa child abuse, dapat ang first responsibility ay ang parents. So,
yes.
So kayo, so hindi ito makakapekto sa inyo. Anong masasabi mo doon na yun nga ang dapat ang
kasi yun yung sa resolution nakalagay that a lot of these allegations boils down to the definition of what a talent manager is now. At ang sinabi niya that the talent manager does not have the decision-making authority. Kaya ang sinasabi, who makes the decision? It's the parents, hindi ba? To a certain extent, as I pointed out, tama yung appreciation ng investigating prosecutor doon. Except that as I earlier pointed out then, that is a statement from someone who does not belong in the industry.
Exactly.
So hindi siguro na-appreciate yung nuances that the person involved actually makes the decision for the children and sometimes does not even inform the mothers. Yun yung sinabi namin sa initial complaint. Kaya nga, nung nalaman ni Nadia yung mga nangyayari, that's why she decided she wanted to file this case. It's very important lang to point that out. Again, I do not take it against the prosecutor, but in our motion for reconsideration, we will probably try to enlighten her and we will probably try to argue this point further.
And just to add to your question, Gord, siguro naman yun nga, hindi nga alam ng mga prosecutor kung paano maging manager ang isang Annabel Rama. I mean, the people in the industry do understand siguro kung ano yung hirap din ng pinagdadaanan ko because you know how she is. May mga maliliit na bagay na hindi pwedeng makialam daw ang magulang to the point na ako na yung nakikialam kasi nakikita ko na yung hirap ng mga bata, yung mga maling nangyayari. And anong ending, di ba? Umurahin ka, makipag-away. No matter how hard I tried na makapag-usap sa kanya ng maayos, na madaan lahat to sa madaling pakiusap, hindi. I mean, she has done it in the past to her other talents. So, I mean, what makes my children different from her other talents? I mean, it just has to stop. It really has to stop. I mean, siya lang yata ang katanging-tanging ganito na walang karapatan ng mga talents niya magreklamo, walang karapatan magpahinga, walang karapatan lahat.
Nasaan eksakto mong nararamdaman mo pag-proba ng decision ng prosecution na dismiss ang child abuse na umakyat naman ang liable ng other cases? Ano eksakto nararamdaman mo?
Hindi ako na-disappoint kasi like what I said from the very beginning naman, ang dami nung mga gusto kong patunayan na yun, parang kahit pa paano yung 14 counts ng libel na yun at yung dalawang unjust fixation, it still proves that what I am saying is true. I just have to prove more on the other case. Hindi ako na-disappoint, but like what my lawyer said, may tiwala ako talaga sa justice system natin, may tiwala ako sa mga taong nasa tabi ko na alam ko na kahit pa paano, I will try again na by filing a motion for reconsideration, baka basahin nila ulit ng maayos at maintindihan nila lalo yung punto na dami na nilang kinakawawa. It just has to stop.
Kasi di ba na-hospitalize ka? So may kinalaman ba to? Saka pwede mo ma-share na rin sa amin what happened talaga? Kasi ngayon ka lang makakapagsalita after ng experience. Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Last Sunday, I was in my room. Nagla-laptop lang ako. Well, before that, talagang may depresya ako sa puso. 2 years ago, I was even supposed to join this contest, a reality contest on TV, but they had to pull me out because they found out that I had the Wolff Parkinson's White syndrome. It is a
Congenital heart disease.
yeah. Well, it's a congenital heart disorder wherein my heart really doesn't function well. I mean, sometimes it stops, sometimes it palpitates a lot, and it's just not. I have irregular heart.